Nice Travel TV presents a journey to the majestic Mayon, called the symmetrical volcano, the crown jewel of Albay. Come and join with me as we explore the beauty of this majestic and perfect Mayon volcano. Welcome to Nice Travel TV.
Have you ever seen a mountain so perfectly shaped that it almost doesn't look real? Rising high above the province of Albay, Mayon Volcano is famous around the world for its nearly perfect cone. Its smooth, symmetrical shape has amazed travelers, photographers, and adventurers for generations. From every angle, it looks like a masterpiece created by nature itself. But behind this breathtaking beauty lies a powerful story, a story of love and legend. A story of destruction and survival. A story of a volcano that has shaped the history, culture, and lives of the people living in its shadow. This peaceful landscape wasn't always this calm. Over the centuries, Mayon has erupted more than 50 times, sending rivers of lava, clouds of ash, and deadly volcanic flows across the land. Entire communities have been destroyed, yet the people of Albay have continued to rebuild, proving that courage can be stronger than fear. Welcome back to Nice Travel TV. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to discover one of the Philippines' greatest natural wonders. Together, we'll uncover the fascinating legend behind Mayon's name, explore the historic Cagsawa Ruins, experience the excitement of riding across ancient lava trails, and witness the incredible beauty that has made this volcano one of the most photographed landmarks in the world. But one question remains. Why do thousands of people continue to live near one of the most active volcanoes in the Philippines? Is it because of its beauty, its rich history, or the unbreakable spirit of the people who call this place home? Join us as we uncover the stories hidden beneath the perfect cone of Mayon Volcano, where every breathtaking view has a history waiting to be told. This is more than just a travel destination. This is the story of beauty, power, and resilience. This is Mayon Volcano. Let's begin our adventure. The Cagsawa Ruins are the remains of the old town of Cagsawa, which was destroyed during the catastrophic eruption of Mayon Volcano on February 1, 1814, one of the deadliest volcanic disasters in Philippine history. Daraga Church, officially known as the Nuestra Señora de la Porteria Parish Church, is a historic Baroque church built in 1773 by Franciscan missionaries, and has stood as a symbol of faith for over 2 centuries, overlooking the majestic Mayon Volcano. Its walls preserve centuries of history. Quituinan Ranch, located in Barangay Quituinan, Camalig, Albay, is a scenic hilltop destination that offers one of the most breathtaking panoramic views of the iconic Mayon Volcano and the surrounding countryside. Today, Quituinan Ranch is a popular tourist attraction where visitors can enjoy horseback riding, nature walks, and spectacular views while experiencing the peaceful beauty and rich natural heritage of Albay. With its wide-open fields and stunning views of Mayon Volcano, Quituinan Ranch has become one of Albay's must-visit destinations, offering visitors a relaxing escape and a unique way to experience the province's natural beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the beauty and history of Albay. From the peaceful views of Quituinan Ranch to the historic Cagsawa Ruins and the beautiful Daraga Church, we hope you've enjoyed discovering the stories that make these places so special. Until next time, this is Nice Travel TV. See you on our next adventure.